Remote Play allows you to stream and play games from your Xbox Series X on a phone, tablet, or computer over the internet. This requires enabling remote features on the console and setting it to sleep mode. This tutorial outlines the steps. What Remote Play does: Remote Play streams video and audio from your Xbox console to a secondary device. Controller input from that device is sent back to the console, allowing gameplay from a different location. A stable internet connection is required on both the console and the remote device. Step 1. Enable remote features on Xbox Series X. Turn on your Xbox Series X. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Navigate to Profile and System, then select Settings. Inside Settings, find Devices and Connections and select it. Scroll down to Remote Features. Locate the option called Enable Remote Features and ensure this box is checked. This allows your console to connect to other devices over the internet. Step 2. Set power mode to sleep. Stay on the same screen and look for power options. Select it and choose sleep mode. This setting is important because it allows your console to turn on remotely when you want to use Remote Play. If your console is set to shut down completely, Remote Play will not function. Step 3. Connect using the Xbox app. Take your phone, tablet, or computer and open the Xbox app. If you do not have it installed, download it from your device's app store. Sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use on your Xbox. After signing in, look at the top left corner of the app and tap on the console icon. The app will search for your Xbox Series X when your console appears. Select it. After a few seconds, your screen will connect and you can start playing your games remotely. Limitation: Remote Play requires both the console and the remote device to have stable, high-speed internet connections. The console must remain in sleep mode, not fully powered off. Performance depends on network quality. Lower bandwidth may result in lag or reduced video quality. This feature is best suited for playing games away from the primary TV, such as on a phone in another room or on a laptop while traveling. Conclusion: setting up Remote Play on Xbox Series X involves enabling remote features, selecting sleep mode under power options, and connecting through the Xbox app on a secondary device. Once configured, the console can be accessed remotely for gameplay over the internet. A stable connection is essential for the best experience.